let me introduce the common mechanism that we know for endocrine resistance. It can be include downregulation of estrogen receptor. For example, if we did biopsy, sometimes we found that the tumor from ER positive turn out to ER negative. This is one mechanism. Another one is ESR1 mutation. About 30 to 40% of the metastatic breast cancer can have the ESR1 mutation after treatment. The mechanism of CDK4/6 inhibitor resistance include the RB loss or downregulation. We know that the CDK4/6 inhibitor, or the main target is the RB protein. So therefore, the tumor can escape the treatment because of the target loss. So RB loss intrinsic RB loss can be primary resistant, and the acquired RB loss can be the acquired resistant mechanism. And the second mechanism is the bypass the checkpoints, such as through CDK6 amplification or activation of the CCNE1 CDK2 signaling, and therefore the tumor will not depends on the CDK4/6. If the progression-free survival is very short from prior CDK4/6 inhibitor plus endocrine therapy, I think most of the doctors will not choose endocrine therapy, monotherapy, or continuation CDK4/6 inhibitor as the options. So we still need to consider the progression-free survival duration. And for biomarkers, the standard tests including the PIK3CA mutation and the BRCA1/2 mutation examination. And beyond that, some tests are available, and we still can consider the ESR1 mutation test or RB loss, this kind of biomarkers.